Ethernet and PoE over any two cores up to 500 meters. RJ45 port for PoE endpoint, line indicator LED and network indicator LAED. This port is idle. It is strictly prohibited to connect any power to these terminals. The PLC terminals are where you terminate your two-core cabling. RJ45 port for PoE power input from a PoE source. Line indicator LED, network data LED. Connection terminal of two-core cabling. Spare terminal for external power adapter. This is how the product should be set up to power a PoE dependent device. Connect your two-core cabling to the transmitter side. Connect the PoE output on the transmitter unit to the device that requires PoE. Please note, 1. Pay attention to the positive and negative terminals when terminating your two-core cabling. 2. The power terminal of the transmitter unit should not be used. Connecting this to any power supply will result in either no signal or damage to the equipment. The unit will not operate if you use the power terminals. Please use the LC terminals. Connect your PoE input to the ERJ45 port of the receiver unit. The LED indicators will start flashing, indicating a successful connection.